guys, I'm Shruti here. Today is 15 October and it's going to be 4:45 in my watch here in the morning, and this is going to my first vlog. I'm going from Delhi to Jammu by my own two-wheeler. So let's be with me and I keep posting you with the new updates. Thank you. With my packing, 3 bags in total. One big bag wherein all clothes of mine is there for the 4 to 5 days of trip to Jammu overall. And this is my laptop bag which I need to use during my working hours where I need to work for a corporate company. And one small bag I have taken for the necessary things like mobile and some more money, cash along with me. Thanks. Guys, this is Yamuna Vihar. I'm heading towards Jammu from Yamuna Vihar. Let's see how much time it will take. We are a team of 2 ladies of different age groups. I will keep posting the pictures. Thank you. Guys, this is Signature Ridge in East Delhi. It's going to be my first stop on the way. You can say it's so beautiful. Way to us only. It's 7:36 and I have taken a small break, a short break you can say, for 5 to 10 minutes for my bio break with my mom. And I don't, this place is Aman Dhaba. It's not very famous, but I see one, if you see back, okay, an accident has happened there, a truck and car accident. So we need to be very careful on the road while driving. We should not talk on phone, make the videos while taking the breaks, okay? I will keep you posting on the way to Jammu. Guys, we are having 2 cups of cooler chais on our short break, and we had a bit food also. So from now I will start my journey 3 hours again continuously without break, and then I will stop for the another second break. I feel a bit cold, so that's why I wear a sweater, a small sweater, and I have already covered Karnal, Sonipat and Panipat also. So now moving forward to Jalandhar on the way, and let's see how soon I can cover the distance to Jammu. I will keep you posted. Taking the video of the meter so that I can calculate how much kilometer I have covered till now since my last ride. So I think almost 3 hours, more than 3.5 hours is there, and I have covered Panipat, Sonipat and Karnal, and we have taken a short break, 20 minutes having food. Guys, currently I am on NH44, which is going towards Ambala Kent, Ludhiana and Jalandhar. She is my mom. Say hi. कैसा लग रहा है? अच्छा लग रहा है? कंफर्टेबल फील कर रहे हो? ठीक है, ठीक है. अभी 3-4 घंटे की हमारी जर्नी हो गई है सिंस दिल्ली. दैट रूट गोज टू दिल्ली, सोनीपत, पानीपत एंड Garonda. So we have already covered Sonipat, Panipat, and we came from Delhi, and we are heading towards Ludhiana, which is 211 kilometers away from this place. So I think it will take 3 hours more to reach there, and then we will forward our journey further from there. Till then, I stopped here to fill up my tank, and I made it again to the full. It cost me 400 again. In the night also I made it full in 400. So like till now the investment is 800 rupees. And this much kilometer I have covered till now. And yeah, this is Yesterday night the petrol was 103 and now it's like 102 per liter. So this is my Cheeto, okay. She always support me to travel long distances and I really trust. This is Honda Vator I have. Yes, it's been 5 years I have spent with this and I have been to different locations and today I am traveling from Delhi to Jammu with my scooty Honda Vator here, and as initially I have told you, I have these 3 bags. One laptop bag is there, one small backpack and one big bag having my clothes. I am at petrol pump, so I have filled my tank second time. Earlier last night I filled it up while heading from my hometown Delhi, and morning we start at 5 o'clock from the home, and around 7 we were at Panipat having our first 20 minutes short break, having some food, and now I have to fill the petrol again to the fullest, which cost me across 400 rupees again. In the night also I have spent 400 rupees, so total 800 rupees. Then now the journey was really comfortable, so I'm hoping best for the next part to be also comfortable and enjoyable. Thank you. Guys, I should show my face also sometimes in between. I know I am a bit in hurry because this trip is approx 4 to 5 days, and yes, I have taken holidays from the office for this. And the occasion which is that why I'm traveling, this is nothing special, but yeah, my birthday is there, so I took some holidays from the office, and on the last moment when I planned to book some train tickets or flight tickets, it would not be possible for me to book at that moment, so that's why I felt that why to wait. I should go with on my own scooty on road, because I checked that people go like this. So although this is my first time experience from Delhi to Jammu, but till now everything is going really nice, and hoping for the best for the next number of kilometers also. I keep posting you so that next time some other girls also can try to go on their own. Thanks. Guys, it is going to be 11 o'clock and my mom is there. You can see the time also. 11:06 is the time as of now. I think you can see. We have reached to the lane which has been divided into 2 parts. One road going to Chandigarh and second road going to Ludhiana. And we are still on NH 44. You can see. And this is the Ambala door. It's pretty nice. It's not clear, but you can see it. Yeah? I don't know why it is not clear, but yeah. So we are heading towards Ludhiana, and from Ludhiana we are going to take the route to Jammu. For her, it's going to be first time on-road trip with me, so she must be very excited. Guys, it's 11:43 in my watch here. Time 11:43 is the time. 15 October 2021, and today is Dussehra also. You can see behind me the board which is NH 44, and behind me my mom is sitting. We are going to drink one juice to feel ourselves fresh. This is my Cheetu. She supports me to go to on-ride trips. Yes. This is Dussehra. You can see Ravan's statues there, which is going to be burned today. Today is 15th October 2021. Happy Dishara to everyone. Hello guys, we are drinking this juice to energize ourselves. We are head towards to Jammu and it will take time but we will reach soon. Thank you. Hello guys, it's 3:17, 15 October 2021. Currently I am crossing Jalandhar and moving forward to Jammu. So as per the local height, it will take around 4 hours more. So I'm looking forward to cover these 4 hours early so that I should complete the journey in the daytime only. So I think max to max 7 o'clock I will be in Jammu. She's my mother, she's also accompanying me and she's also enjoying the trip. But yeah, a little bit, we are a little bit tired till now because we are directly riding from Delhi. So we'll take a rest in Jammu only and later. 5 minutes just to, here's my scooty, you can see it with me, and here I am. So taking the rest of 5 minutes then I will move again after taking a bio break. Although trip was good till yet, a bit little tired I am. If you see the front, I will show you. Meter shows currently this one amount. 5 hours to go to Jammu. I am currently nearby Phagwara. You can see school buses they're mentioned Phagwara. And this is petrol pump where I have get the petrol for the third time. Again 420 rupees. So till now the budget will be 400 plus 400 plus 400, so like 1200 approx till now. Guys, currently I'm in Pathankot. You can see the time is here. It's 4:47, 15th of October 2021. She's my mother. And we stopped here to have some food because then still after this we have to ride approx 3 hours to reach Jammu. So we will take our dinner here only and then in between then later if something we really need to have then we can have some snacks later on. Although this place is really nice, very beautiful. This restaurant is in between all the gardens nearby. I will show you. How are you feeling now? You have traveled आपको काफ़ी डिस्टेंस किया है पठानकोट कैसा लग रहा है आपको?
रोड भी काफ़ी अच्छी है, यहाँ का डेवलपमेंट बहुत अच्छा हो गया है। रोड काफ़ी साफ
कैसा लग रहा है डेवलपमेंट को? तो
बहुत अच्छी फीलिंग आई, बहुत अच्छा फील है।
आप द्वारा जाना चाहोगे द्वारा से 2 व्हीलर पे?
हाँ, द्वारा आना चाहेंगे तो मौका लगा तो आएंगे, पर बहुत लंबा लॉन्ग ड्राइव है।
लॉन्ग ड्राइव है,
2 बार स्टे करके बीच में रुकना पड़ेगा तो बेटर है।
Farm I can say here. So we have lot of farms here and in between we have one restaurant where we stayed here to have some food. And we are on this side of the road. On the other side if you see, although you can't see, but other side we have the adjacent railway line which will take you to the Jammu if you want to go by train. But we are traveling from on a 2-wheeler, so that's why we chosen this road only. So I am really enjoying the atmosphere here. Farming and everything is on the sides and traveling along with my mom. You can see we are here and so many Jammu Kashmir buses are there. I think this is one of the traveler who is having their own bicycle with solar panel on the above and one cylinder also. So this is, I think, remote traveling he is doing. It's very nice, portable. Everything he has in a bucket. Nice. Okay. It's a Mitrada Dhaba. We are on the highway NH44, and Jammu is 193 kilometer. You can see the board. Pathankot is 83 kilometer and Tanda is 13 kilometers. So we are heading towards the Pathankot, and then we will go to Jammu. And from Jammu we will ride towards Katra. So till now everything is good. I will keep posting you. Thank you. We are so lucky that we got the chance to go to Jammu, and when we go to Vaishno Devi during the Navratras.
Today is
Today is Dussehra, 15th October 2021.
and Shruti birthday is 18 October.
Bas.
She has come with me.
Yes, she is my mom, and I'm also very lucky that I got a mom like her. She can accompany me on a trip, which is going to be a solo trip, but now it's a ladies trip together, and I don't think that anyone else have done it. Like daughter mother couple is like, I can say, on a solo trip. So we are so lucky that we got a very good family also who allowed. Bye. We will catch you up in the next stop. Bye bye. I am heading towards Pathankot, and I think in next 15 to 20 minutes we will cover the Pathankot also. And it's so beautiful. The road is so beautiful. It's covered with the green part. See how much kilometer I have done from here. It's evening time, so you can see the moon. Moon is there, and the other side, sun is also. Sunset and moon gazing is there. Hello guys, there is a gap of 8 hours in between our vlog right now. Yesterday night till 8, from 8 till 11 I've continued to drive, and I was really tired. The night was really dark that time, and most of the roads on the road, trucks are there, cars are there, and two-wheelers are less, what I can say, and I was also really tired. So once last time I filled the petrol, again 410 rupees. So overall cost to the petrol is like 4 times I filled up till Jammu, I can say. So 4 times 400. So 1800 petrol I have used till now, and right now my petrol tank is totally full, so I can reach up to Katra directly, and I can use further also. That is very convenient, and the petrol part and economical range. So yesterday what happened that we were really tired. We could not. I was not able to drive also, and my mother was also feeling that we should stay somewhere. So one of the person who was filling up the petrol, he guided that if you really want to rest, then you can just beside that there is a Maharishi ashram. It's like, yeah, ashram was there, very big ashram with police, everything, full security on the road. The same thing like this I found from the main road, I can say on GT road only. When we are turning about, we have a big turn towards Jammu. There's a police checkpost is there. There also they have set up a certain hall where people can spend their number of hours when they want to sleep, especially if they want to take rest, and especially for the bikers, and they can go ahead. We have seen so many bikes there. At that moment we were not feeling to stay, so that's why we just came out. After I can say 2 hours of driving, I also feel that we should take rest, and that person on the petrol pump guided us that we can stay for a few hours in the ashram if we want. We went to the ashram, and later the ashram was full actually. So all the hall, there was not hall area, but they have open area. We can get the place. Open area will be there. They will give us the rajai and this gadda, blanket, and this thing they will give us, and then we can stay there. But the place was open, so I feel because at night there is cold, so we have rejected that place, and then we moved again further. Then we moved further, and the same person from that place guided that if you don't want to stay here further, if you want to save it, you will get Chichi Mata Mandir. So this place is totally new for me because first time I came on road, although maximum time I came by train directly. So we come across, I think the area I don't know, but yes, from that petrol pump, this Chichi Mata Mandir is 5 kilometers away. We came to the Chichi Mata Mandir is on the main road only. They said in Hindi that Chichi Mata Mandir is the small younger sister of Vaishno Mata. So this Chichi Mata is the name of her sister, smaller sister. And this place really helps us because while traveling we found this place, and we came here. We asked one person. We head to the police nearby. We have police here for security. That is not an issue. So it was a big rest for us. We came here and we stayed yesterday night. Like you can say, we came here at 11:30. At 12 we slept because we really want to sleep, and yeah, we have good amount of sleep now. It's like again 6 to 7 hours of sleep we had. So today is 16th October. You can see 16th October 7:12. 16th October 7:12 morning time. We are ready again to move further to travel to Katra now, because we have not reached till yet to the Katra. Although we planned to reach on this single day, but unfortunately it was not possible for me to drive more, and that was because I was tired. So we stayed into a hall here. All the place was okay, I can say, because it was for us, right? You can see that that is our stuff, and here they have given us the basic necessities to sleep. So we slept there, and yeah, the washrooms. I went to the washrooms. They have so many washrooms, I can say, but something water problem is there. So a bit dirty, I can say, but still we managed somehow. Or now we are heading towards Katra. Katra is from this place. I think how many kilometers? Approx 50 kilometers it will take total. Then after 50 kilometers we will be in Katra only. Here we have we will found a good place for our stay, and then we will stay there only. Okay, then we will catch you up there only, because thank you for support. Thank you for watching this video. It will really help others, and if you share it more to the all people, it will be more specifically beneficial for the girls if they want to come alone. I will. For me also, it is the first time as a solo traveler. I never come solo. Although most of the times I travel with friends, but this is first time I am traveling solo, and with my mom. I can say 2 people are there on the same scooty. So let me reach Katra. I will update you once again in next 3 hours. It was 7:14 now. 7:14, 16th of October 2021. Coming 18th is my birthday. So that was the main motto. I came here, like spending it with myself. Mom is along with me, and it's a nice time going to Vaishno Devi. So a bit connected to spirituality, and घूम तो रहे हैं साथ के साथ ही, है ना. चलो ठीक है, मिलते हैं. ओके, बाय बाय, सी या.